Hey everyone, I am in my basement right now and I'm sharing our craft room slash homework station. Accent wall challenge accepted. Here is the after. We simply transform this corner of our basement to make it more suitable for this work at home period that we all seem to be in, kids included. So now we can comfortably coexist in this space. It's an area of the house I'm proud of. It looks so much better than it once did. And at some point, if my kids move out, I'll be able to move all of my craft items up into their bedroom, and this can be converted into a nice lounge area adjacent to our bar. So I hope I inspired you. It's very simple. This was done in 12 hours. If you want to see all the paint colors that we chose and a materials list, come visit my blog, snazzylittlethings.com, and thanks for watching.